Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today we have our YOUCANIC Jump Box and Power Bank, and we're going to show you an unboxing of this and what you get in the box. So you'll get this box here when you order one, and then it'll be wrapped in a cellophane plastic, so you'll take that plastic off, and then being able to open up the box, little tab here, and then being able to pull out the unit itself. We've got this nice case that it's stored in, and then you can unzip the box and we open it up like this. So over here we have all the cables and adapters, and then here we have the power bank and jump starter box. So here is our jump starter box here. This is the connection for your power cable to connect to your car battery, the jump start. And then here we have a 12 volt adapter, so in case you need any type of 12 volt power source. We have that. You have two USB power sources here, one that of a standard low charge and then a fast charge. And then this is the USB-C for charging of the power box. We have the power on off button here. The lights indicate the power charge, so we're at half charge here. And then if you want to be able to use the light, just hold the button, and then we have the light, there's a strobe, and well, there's SOS and a strobe, and then just hold the button and that'll turn that light off. So that's what you get right there. We have the power bank and charger unit, the cable to hook to your battery, instruction manual, one adapter for 12 volt in case you need that, and your power cable to charge. This is a power cable that you use to charge the device, being the C and the USB 1 or the standard USB into USB power source. And then also you can use this for any other thing as long as you got the USB right here, and then if you have a different type of connector, as long as that cable USB on one side and connect up, and you'll be able to power up everything that you would like to. But that's what you get in the package here when you purchase the YOUCANIC Jumpstarter Power Bank. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.